Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Lexus RX 350 in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. This is a crucial first step before attempting any gear changes. We'll cover the simple steps to shift into neutral, whether your engine is running or if you're dealing with a dead battery situation. It's a straightforward process once you know the correct procedure. When your Lexus RX 350 engine is running, putting it into neutral is quite simple. First, make sure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Then, simply move the shift lever from its current position, usually P for park or D for drive, directly into the N position. You should see the N indicator light up on your dashboard, confirming the vehicle is now in neutral. Release the brake only when safe. If your Lexus RX 350 engine is off, or if you have a dead battery, you'll need to use the shift lock release. This is usually a small button or a slot near the gear shifter. You might need to remove a small cover to access it. Insert a small, flat tool, like a screwdriver or key, into the slot and press down. While holding the release, press the brake pedal and then move the shift lever to N. Remember, always engage your parking brake immediately after putting your Lexus RX 350 into neutral, especially on any incline. Leaving your vehicle in neutral without the parking brake can be dangerous, as it can roll freely. Never leave your car unattended in neutral. For more helpful tips and to explore new worlds, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.